Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily delete a saved credit card from the Trip.com app on your Android phone. If you've added a payment method before and now want to remove it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process quickly and clearly. First, open the Trip.com app on your Android device. Make sure you're in the Account section. Next, scroll down the home screen until you find and tap on My Cards. Then locate the credit card you want to delete. Tap directly on that card to view the details. After that, look for the Delete button and tap it. Finally, confirm that you want to delete the card. Once confirmed, the card will be permanently removed from your account. That's it. Your credit card has now been deleted from the Trip.com app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful guides like this one.